Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create brush edges mask in Affinity Designer. This is a fantastic technique for adding artistic textured borders to your images and designs, giving them a more organic and handcrafted feel. Let's start by launching Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application is open, you'll want to open your existing file or create a new file to work with. This sets up your workspace where you'll be crafting the brush edge effect. Now look over to the left sidebar where you'll find the rectangle tool. Click on it and draw a rectangle directly on your canvas. This rectangle will serve as the foundation for your brush edge mask, so make sure it's positioned where you want your masked element to appear. Next, shift your attention to the right panel. You'll see several tabs there, and beside layers, you need to click on path brushes. This opens up a library of different brush styles that you can apply to your shape. Browse through the options and select your preferred brush. The brush you choose will determine the texture and style of your edges, so pick one that complements your overall design vision. After selecting your brush, navigate to the upper left panel where you'll find the color option. Click on it to open the color picker. Then select your preferred color for the brush edges. This color choice can dramatically affect the mood and visual impact of your design, so take a moment to choose wisely. Once your color is set, head back to the right panel and click on Layers. This is where you'll manage the stacking order of your design elements, which is crucial for creating the masking effect properly. In the Layers panel, drag the first object or image above the rectangle you made earlier. This repositioning is essential because it determines which element will be masked by the brush edge effect. The object you place above the rectangle will be the one that receives the artistic brushed border. Finally, navigate to the upper left where you'll find the stroke size option. Use the slider to adjust the brush edges to your liking. Moving the slider will increase or decrease the thickness of the brush stroke, allowing you to fine-tune how prominent and visible your textured edges appear. Experiment with different sizes until you achieve the exact look you're going for. And there you have it. You've successfully created brush edges mask in Affinity Designer, adding a unique artistic touch to your design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.